Hi guys, my wife's just put the washing out and there doesn't seem to be very much wind, so I'm wondering if it's worth taking the plane out, the rubber band plane, and giving it a try outside. I suspect it'll all end in tears, but that's what I'm thinking. Well, it's been so long since I built this, it's been hanging up, and the tail section's actually warped quite a bit, so I'm having to re-trim it. I can try a bit of power this time, not much, just a bit. Give it one more try. The wind is picking up a little bit, so we won't be able to do much more than this. Definitely the last attempt, this one. We're going to give up on this one today. The wind is picking up and there's no way this can cope with any wind. So that's that for today. Yeah, wind's picked up.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.